been great. I work with a lot of industrial companies and steel fabricators, so it's kind of like a good spot for me to be and to connect and meet new people, so it's been a lot of fun.
Getting to touch, hold, feel, see, talk to the people that are making the products, some people that are using the products as well, because they'll bring on, different influencers, things like that, industry people who are using those products day in, day out. You can kind of ask them too what they like, what they don't like, things, pros, cons. And it gives you peace of mind to know what you're buying is what's in front of you.